How to change your payment date on Avant.com. First of all, go to the official Avant website and log in using your registered email address and password. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to your dashboard where you can view your loan details. Next, look for the loan summary or account settings section. This is where most payment options and account preferences are managed. Now scroll down or look for an option labeled Change Payment Date or something similar. Click on it to proceed. You will now be given a list of available dates. Choose the one that fits best with your schedule. Make sure to read any notes or conditions. Some date changes might delay your payment or adjust your interest slightly. After choosing your new payment date, click Confirm or Save Changes. You may be asked to verify your identity or receive a confirmation email depending on your account settings. If you don't see the option to change your payment date or if it's grayed out, it's best to contact Avant customer service directly. They will guide you through the process or let you know if your loan qualifies for a payment date change. Now you know how to change your payment date on Avant.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.